This Benish Real Estate Group property video is presented by Sarah Arp. Clean and pristine, bright and airy. This home has 4 bedrooms and 2 baths, all on one level. The main level laundry is a must-see. There is a large upstairs attic space just waiting on your finishing touch. It would be perfect for extra bedrooms, a craft cave, playroom, or teen hangout. All of this is situated on 1 acre with a large detached garage and carport. For more information, review the details below or contact Sarah Arp at 812-278-1079.